when you want to do a shell stitch, you definitely want to, well, you want to start with the chain, and then you want to do a row. And then you want to start with a chain 1. We're going to skip at least 1 or 2 stitches. I like to skip at least 2 stitches because it gives that shell a nice elongation. So we're going to start 2 stitches away from the hook. We're going to yarn over, put our hook into 2 stitches away from the hook, and then we're going to do a double crochet. And then we're just going to do 4 more double crochets. And I mean double crochets in US terms. A double crochet, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is a 5 DC shell right there. And then you usually want to at least chain 1, and then you're going to skip another 2 stitches before you go into the next one, or skip however many stitches the pattern tells you to. But I just am using 2 as an example for everyone. So, and if you're making your own pattern, mess around with it. Make a couple of different swatches to see how spacing it out works for you. So there I just did 5 double crochets and then the chain 1. The 5 double crochets are all in 1 stitch. You're not going to go over any other stitches. They're all in 1 stitch.